Hey everybody, hope you're doing well today. Today we're talking about System.io and why you should use it as a beginner affiliate marketer. I want to make this training available to all of you because I get a lot of questions about System.io, and so I really wanted to try to answer as many questions as I can. But let's dive into it. So, what is System.io and why is it useful to you as a beginner? If you've been through a course, affiliate marketing course specifically, they probably taught you within the first couple of days about funnels and autoresponders. Most likely, they probably taught you about ClickFunnels and Aweber or GetResponse. Now, those are great programs, and I will have future trainings on both Aweber and GetResponse. But today we're going to talk about System.io. And so, why would you want to use System.io over one of these other programs? The reason for that is, first of all, the cost. System.io has a free tier, just like both Aweber and GetResponse. When I first started affiliate marketing, Aweber was the only other free program that people really talked about. GetResponse later added a free tier as well, but none of them can really compete with System.io. Next thing is, if you're using those products, you're most likely using ClickFunnels with either Aweber and GetResponse, which means you need a total of two different programs, two different softwares together. ClickFunnels is going to be $97 a month. You get the Aweber free plan and GetResponse free plan. Or if you really want to utilize the full features of the programs in GetResponse, it could be up to $40 a month. So you're looking at about $150 a month total for your software when you're just getting started. Now, the great thing about System.io is their free tier provides all that. You don't need ClickFunnels. You don't need Aweber. You don't need GetResponse. All those features you're getting from two programs, you get in one, all on the free tier. So on the free tier, you can get 2,000 contacts. And what I mean by contacts is one of the great things about System.io is it's both a funnel builder and an autoresponder built into one. And so as part of the autoresponder, you can have 2,000 people in your email list all on the free tier. You can send a limited number of emails. So if you want to send emails every single day, that is something you can definitely do with System.io, all on the free tier. You can have 3 sales funnels. Now, the next one is going to talk about funnel steps. If you may remember when you went through your course on ClickFunnels with 15-day challenge, 30-day challenge, or one of those other programs, you probably remember that on the left side of your funnel, when you actually was viewing the funnel itself, there was the opt-in page, and there was like a little step below it that had your bridge page, and then all the other things, all the different pages of your funnel. Those are called steps. And so across all your funnels on your free tier, you can have 10 steps. So you can have one funnel with 10 steps, or you can have 3 funnels with 2 steps each, or whatever the case may be. But you can have a maximum of 10 steps across all. You can have a blog with unlimited blog posts. You can have a single course with unlimited number of students. Now, the cool thing about this is when you build a course, you actually have unlimited file storage for your course videos. This is something that no one else really offers. There is a limit to the file size of the videos, however. That is something that can be very great if you're trying to build out your own coaching program. You want to maybe put the recordings from your coaching trainings up on that course for people to go back and watch later. They have something called workflows, which is like an automated email sequence, but it does it visually in a way that is very appealing to you. I can show that here in a second. Of course, you can do things like order bumps if you're creating your own product. If you want to create a free course and do a $100 order bump to get a one-on-one call with you or something like that, you can do things like that. All kinds of features built into this. One of the few things that they added a few months ago was, used to on the free tier, you had to pay for the next plan up, the startup tier, in order to be able to hook your domain name up to System.io. Now they all allow you to hook up one domain name to System.io on the free plan. So you get all this for free, and for most people, they never get out of the free tier. All this is available for $27 a month, and if you do an annual, you can save 30%. Now, the cool bit about the annual plan is when you sign up for your free account, which I will have a link in one of the comments in this video on my Facebook group. You'll see one of the comments is going to be a link to create your own free account. But if you're watching this on YouTube later on, I'll actually have it in the description of the video. You can go create your free account. Now, I don't know if this is so many weeks after your free account, or if it only happens at the end of the year, because I actually got this email around New Year's timeframe. But I got an email that says, hey, if you upgrade now to the startup plan, we'll actually give you 40% off your upgrade, whereas it's normally 30%. So I actually paid less than $200 for my startup plan for the year. So that's something to be aware of as you look for upgrading to an annual plan. That's something you want to do. But if you do monthly, it's $27 a month. It ends up being less than that. It ends up being closer. I think it's closer to $24 or $22 a month. I mean, $194 is what you end up paying for an entire year instead of the $228. So you save about $30. So that's something to be aware of if you're creating your new account and you're wanting to go and look for additional savings on a startup plan. Now, if you need additional contacts, say you suddenly grow your Facebook group, or because there are people nowadays who are using Reels and TikTok and short form content to really exponentially grow their Facebook groups, and so they're adding 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 people into their Facebook groups easily. You need to upgrade. They have the additional startup and webinar plans if you need as well. Now, the cool bit is, look at that unlimited plan. Literally, everything is unlimited. $97 a month. For ClickFunnels, we were looking at $97 a month just for the funnel builder itself. Whereas here you can get funnel builder and your autoresponder all for $97. But the big things that you're going to utilize as an affiliate marketer are going to be the contacts, automated email sequences, and the funnels, as well as courses. Those 4 things are going to be the big things that you're going to utilize as an affiliate marketer. And there's something that I can be talking about over the course of this week. If there are additional questions about features you'd like to know more about, if you'd like to know more about the blogs or order bumps or something like that, if you want to create your own course, let me know. I'm happy to do additional trainings on that in the future. Something I want to talk about as well, just as a quick, because this entire training is meant to be an overview of System O. It does mention running your own affiliate program. From my understanding, I did look into this briefly, trying to do my own stuff. From what I can tell, that is an affiliate program through their own. They have a marketplace that you can put your course up on, and people can be an affiliate through this marketplace. I don't think you can have people sign up to be an affiliate like you would for the 15-day challenge or 3-day challenge, where you go to the first promoter link for that program and sign up and see your own dashboard. You don't get anything like that. You have to sign up to System O, go through the actual marketplace, and sign up to be an affiliate that way. So that is something to be aware of if you're looking at it, being in it from there. That is pretty much it as far as the overview of System O. There are lots of features that you can utilize in this as you're getting started. I highly recommend that you, at least if you've never utilized System O before, or you're looking at saving money every month with your funnel builder and autoresponder. This was meant to be a shorter training today, because it was just an overview of like the features that are in System O and why it's a great resource for someone getting started. Again, if you're already using ClickFunnels and Aweber, you're looking at probably $97 plus a month, depending on how many contacts you have in your email list. And that is the main reason for System O, is if you want to grow an email list, if you want to do affiliate marketing. Yes, you can do affiliate marketing without without any tech stack, whatever, other than say Google Docs. You don't need to pay for anything like that. But even if you're going that route, I highly recommend having System O, because as you work with people, you're going to be able to grab their emails, and you can utilize your email list to grab future sales on the back end through your automated sequence or through your regular emails you're going to send out daily if you're doing that. And what I mean by the actual emails daily, if you're familiar with Aweber, you probably heard it called broadcast emails. They don't call it broadcast emails within System O, they call it newsletters. So that's something to be aware of. Hope everybody has a great day, and look forward to seeing you in the next video.